everybody, it is Janita here, aka Jay. Here, just having downtime. Dad, say hi.
Hi.
Okay, Asian. Aaron, say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
What is up, you guys? So I am currently in Fiji. I'm here with my family, so I'm just doing a family vacay and just having some chill downtime. Look at the view at the back. Amazing. So we're just gonna have some pizza. It's really hot and humid, but it's not that sunny at the moment because there's a cyclone Mona at the moment. But yeah, we're just chilling here and having a good time. So I probably won't vlog as much, but I'll see what I get at the end of this trip. I'm here for 8 days. I'm just chilling with my family and visiting some family members and stuff, and yeah, having a good time. Hello. Hi. Okay then, let's say hi. This is our van called Natadola Beach. That's Dad.
Yeah.
Just got here to Reki in Fiji. This is where we're staying tonight. It's pretty cool. It's a villa called Dua Hotel, I think. Hotel. It's like a whole resort. We've got some swimming pools, we've got food, we've got a beach right here, which I can see into. It's a pretty good holiday so far. You're around. Look at that beach, the view. It took us ages just to get here. Maybe 4 hours. 5 hours, and they were going the wrong way for an hour. So yeah, finally made it here, and 5 hours later. So far we've spent 2 days in Lautoka and now in Reki, and tomorrow we're probably going to Suva. So we'll see where we land tomorrow. Yeah. At the moment we're at a random ass beach, but check this out. Hey! So it's another day and just got up, had a 6 o'clock swim, some breakfast, and we're off again. So far I've been to Reki. I think that's where I stopped talking, and then, well, telling you guys, and then I went to Suva, and now I'm back in Singatoka, and then we're going to Lautoka today, and then Nandi, and then home. So today is Thursday, we're leaving on Saturday, so yeah, just another beach here. So this was where we were staying. This one. Bus. Bus with no door. So if you remember, this is actually where I had my birthday. Crow's Nest Resort. pour dinner out. Yeah, so last day here in Fiji. We're going back today and we just decided to visit dinner out with my family and then home time. Bye. Goodbye. End of the holiday.